stupid. Who got me? Oh, behind this whole team. Whole fucking team, bro. Hell yeah. Yeah. It's crazy how I'm in the same timeline with niggas that think they cool as hell driving slingshot.
How does he keep down from that?
I got a friend told me if he make it, he gonna buy himself a slingshot. I was like, brother, you are fucking stupid. So you need to get a car. Yo, kill us all, queen. Kill her first. Pop, 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 pop.
Nah,